everybody, welcome back to Makayla's Playground. I'm Ariel, and today we're going to play Blowfish Blowup. And I'm back with my mommy and daddy.
Hi everyone.
Do you want me to translate this? Yeah.
Hold on, let daddy translate. So what's the name of the game?
So this is Blowfish Blowup.
And what is it, daddy?
So it's also Blowfish Puyosan. And it says...
No, this poison balloon.
Yeah, where? Oh, wait, hold on. Tamain ferratella gonfleur le poison. So that means poison fish. For people who don't understand
And as you can see, daddy came...
No, it's poison balloon.
Yeah.
Daddy came dressed for the occasion wearing mommy's robe. So it fits him well.
Recycle, reuse. Do your stuff.
Wait, and hold on.
To save the planet.
Let's address the elephant in the room.
What's the elephant?
Mommy tried to cut daddy's.
What do you mean? It looks good. Hey, we're in quarantine.
Just don't turn around. Don't turn around.
Okay, you guys can't see the back till next week till it grows out.
Look, I'm Ariel.
And this is Ariel.
Oh.
This is what Ariel really looks like.
So if everyone's been in quarantine for a while, it's getting a little interesting in your house. So don't expect anything. Just go with it.
So what you do is, whoever does the better this, like doing this, gets to go first. But don't do that.
Okay.
But how do you play the game?
And you have to pick one of these things, which is a ring right here.
So there's treasures inside
And
the
you have
fish
to
bowl.
pick, and whoever loses gets to eat some Bean Boozled. I hope mommy gets to eat some because daddy has a really weak stomach.
Yeah,
because you guys always make me lose on purpose.
How many games should we play? So what's gonna happen is when we start 7 games. So we have to push the fish down, and we each take turns grabbing a treasure, and he blows up, and whoever he blows up on loses that round.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it.
And do you know what?
The youngest
We're
first.
out.
Yeah, you're out.
We're out.
No, whoever doing this better wins. Ready?
Go.
I didn't even count.
Okay, what one?
Who won?
I don't know. Let's
Me, look. Okay, you can go.
You go first, daddy will go second, and I'll go third. Okay, let's push down. So round 1.
I got it.
Okay, daddy's turn.
Oh,
okay.
So I lost that round.
You're out.
I'm out.
Daddy and me are in.
Okay, so
Joe and me are doing it.
okay, ready? Okay, sit down, Ariel.
Ready,
Go.
set, go.
Point.
Hey, mommy, you're out.
No.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, only winners in this one.
Yeah.
Oh.
There's diamonds right there. Oh, There's diamonds all over him. Daddy,
So daddy won that round then.
So daddy
1 point, daddy. 0-0.
That's not supposed
Just
to
so
be.
you know, daddy always has paint all over his hands and his clothes because he's always doing something around the house. And he never wears protective gear to do it.
Because he has blow-ups. He has punch-ups. Boom! Yes! Families, remembers swimming through the ocean.
No clue what
You
she's
meant
talking
daddy
about.
you meant I have a 6-pack.
Okay, round 1.
Daddy's first.
Or round 2, sorry.
Ooh, I didn't see those diamonds.
Ah! I got you.
Oh, I lost.
But your hand is too big and couldn't even pop up. Okay, daddy lost.
Hey, we're not getting my jewelry.
Okay, now it's
Always.
between us. Here. Okay, ready? Go. Keep going. Ah! Makayla won.
That was quick.
Okay, so 1-1-0.
Love your earrings.
Okay.
Ready, set, go. I go first.
Oh.
How come I keep getting...
Oh. Okay, between me and daddy.
Oh, man.
Yeah, because I never go. You go.
Oh!
Oh.
Yes! Mommy!
I got 4 points.
No, you didn't. One. I'm the king of the world.
Whoa, she's
whoa.
swimming in the ocean.
Whoa.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
I
Whoa,
will
whoa.
come back.
Okay, come on.
Hold on, she's that
round.
one deep sea fishing.
I lost the diamond.
Okay, here we go.
Okay. I lost the diamond. Okay, round 4. What are you looking at over there? What's
Day-
fix next?
Daydream.
No, Mommy, it's round 3.
Round 4.
Okay, go. Daddy goes. So I think it. Oh, it's okay.
Okay, me and Daddy. Okay.
So I think he.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
We lost. Daddy won.
Daddy won that
4
round. No,
points.
you're
to-
confusing us.
2.
2-1-1 or 3-1-1?
2-1-1.
2-1-3.
Yeah. Okay, there you go.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Okay.
Wait, your turn.
See?
I told you.
Who lost?
Okay. Dad.
Where are we turning to? Where are we?
To Hawaii. Bye-bye. It's down here.
Go down.
Go here.
Ow! Sorry.
Okay, we're back.
That was so fun at Hawaii.
Oh yeah, we just got back from Hawaii. Okay, last game.
Mommy, your turn.
Oh, okay. Hold on. Do you push it back down?
Yeah.
Okay, there we go.
Got one.
Oh!
And the undisputed champion of the world, once again, Dad.
Boo! That boo.
Victory
Daddy.
swim, victory swim.
I got
Was
one.
that good? High five.
I got 1 point.
Okay. Well, anyway, I won.
No.
I lost.
It's okay. Remember?
I lost. I got 1 point.
Yeah, but it's about having fun. We had
Wait,
fun.
I lost the most because I only got 1 point.
No, you got 2. Mom lost the most.
I'm gonna pretend to go in this jar.
Oh.
You can't fit in that jar.
An
Whoa,
illusion.
whoa, whoa,
I went in the jar.
whoa. You're in the jar.
Pretend I was a fish.
You are a
You're a
fish.
fish.
I'm going to.
Here.
Okay.
So, to end off this game,
We're
we're
gonna
gonna do a try not to make you laugh challenge.
And everyone's gonna spit on each other.
Okay, ready? Take a sip of water and hold it in your mouth. Don't swallow it.
Hold on. I don't got it. Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna get Mom one. Okay.
Bye guys, I hope you enjoyed my channel. If you want to watch another Makayla Blowfish blow up, touch here. If you want to watch the second one, please click the bell button right here. Bye, and stay healthy too, and get earplugs!
Oh, thank you. Oh no, that's stuck in my ear. All right, guys, have fun. Enjoy your family. Stay safe.
Thank you for watching.
Bye.